Sunday. We're so glad you're here. Look at James on this seat. Oh yeah, we have to get some used to it.
What do we think? He's holding on like, what is this? We got Teddy in the front.
We left it 2 seats because we're gonna do that while we transition James into like getting comfortable with it.
Yeah.
So we're stopping at Springs for a little bit. We got a buddy here from Tampa. You know what I mean? We're gonna see. People had a weird Sunday, not a weird Sunday, just like we I think all weekend we thought Sunday was going to be front loaded with the fun.
We thought we were gonna like wake up and go, and
we decided to switch it all around once we got up this morning.
And then if you watched yesterday's vlog or the live stream, you'll know that James went to bed last night at 4:30 p.m. and he slept until 7:30. So like he didn't nap today because he's just like
got 7 days worth of sleep in him.
And so yeah, everything kind of was like constantly changing, but
yeah, so we just went with the flow.
Yeah, we went to Disney Springs,
met up with our buddy Steve from Tampa,
and now we're going into Typhoon Lagoon. And good thing, because us and our very fair-skinned children are just red, just tomatoes from existing in the summer heat. So we're very ready to be in the pool.
So we're gonna get some lazy river going in, maybe some splash pad, maybe some wave pool.
It's only till 8.
Then we'll
I heard the wave pool all the way from here.
Something's happening at 9:15 tonight. That's a lot of fun.
Yes, if we can
keep spirits high.
Together,
Fantasmic it is.
I'm gonna go to Fantasmic.
And we get to there, and the kids were like so antsy to get out of the stroller. We had to give them sunblock, and what do? Just hit the sand.
Yeah, well, this is good for letting the sunblock soak in.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm so sweaty. Children getting in a car seat, getting sunblock on is
in the month of July.
In the month of July,
it's a workout in itself.
A workout, and so I feel like my sunblock is just like
sweat.
So we'll let this sit.
We're in the lazy river. James is living his best life. We're coming up towards the one really cold waterfall though, so I'm a little uncertain. Oh. Oh. This lazy river speeding up kinda. Whoa. Ooh. James is riding on mommy's back. Like a horse.
And then I feel his feet.
Meanwhile, Teddy is investigating some leaves.
Hear it.
On this here donut. Well, is it a donut? It's not really a donut because there's no hole. This flotation device. All right, we're at the splash pad now. Teddy was kind of restless in the lazy river, and James was a little too adventurous in the lazy river. So we decided to come back to the splash pad.
Is like now that he can walk, he has this sense of independence that like we definitely remember with James. Like he just wants to get down and do something. So he literally got down and was just like beaming.
Yeah, he's so much older now coming to the splash pad than last time we was here. Just because like the walkability, the mobility of him. I think we're gonna put the phone away for now. Oh, nice, nice.
Yeah, we'll put it away for now.
All right, we were gonna do another round of the lazy river after the wave pool, but the wave pool tuckered Teddy out, so he fell asleep. So we got changed. You want some donuts? You want donuts? Okay, open. Okay, we'll get some donuts while mommy's changing. There we go, there we go. Delicious. Oh, look at this. We got a dozen donuts, a little chocolate raspberry, and a cup of joe right next to the lazy river. That's living, right, Jamesy?
What's going on over here?
James did it.
You ordered donuts? Donuts for lunch, donuts for dinner?
Donuts every meal of the day, apparently.
This is a fun view.
Yeah.
You can see right through there. Miss Tilly.
Look at this kid ready to roll in the new seat in the back. Love it. All right, we've made it safely to Hollywood Studios.
Fantasmic is at 9:15, so we have enough time to do an attraction or two. Unfortunately, Mickey and Minnie's is over a 40-minute wait.
Our rule is like, if the line is outside, that's just too long for Jamesy right now.
And
inside, he is a really good queuer, but it's got to be inside.
right, but Aliens Flying Saucers is 10, so we'll do that. And plus, we just like being in Toy Story Land.
And it's like golden hour right now. Check this out. Are you kidding me? Andy's backyard is lit right now.
Jamesy let me know that he did not want to go on Aliens Flying Saucers, so into Galaxy's Edge we go.
All right, we're gonna check out some droid shop. Also sneaking a little AC because Batu's chock full of AC. And maybe see some people building some droids.
We love watching the droids get made. Is it up, up, up?
I don't think I've actually ever ordered from this here establishment. We did come in here to give the kids a snack and to steal some AC, but then Sarah realized that we should probably get like something to snack on and share. So we can get the Felucian Kefta and Hummus Garden Spread.
So even though it's evening, it is still quite hot out. So we are seeking refuge. I don't know what this place is called, but it's the inside quick service at Galaxy's Edge. The boys are doing a little snacking. Peter is going to get us the plant-based, I think they're meatballs. I think we've had them before, and it comes with a nice side, and they're really good. So we're gonna split that just as a little snack. We had a decent, we had a later lunch at home. I'm not super hungry, but I know that I'm gonna want something more than just pretzel or corn dog bites, even though those are really good. I feel like I'm just gonna need something a little bit more substantial before we go into Fantasmic, and then something probably from the kids menu for the kids to share. But yeah, it is so hot that it'll be Duck and Goose. Yeah, Duck. Have you ever watched the show Duck and Goose? It's so cute. But that's what Jamesy's singing. But anyways, we just know that the Fantasmic Bowl is gonna be hot, and so we're probably gonna try and get there as last minute as possible before the show. Look at all of that pita. I thought it came with chickpea salad before.
It's a hummus spread now.
Oh, it's a hummus spread. What did you get me?
This is a moof juice.
A moof juice.
It's orange and chipotle pineapple.
Thank you. What is that? He's eating some grass. He's eating, yeah. Is that a dinosaur? Dinosaur. We're getting some wiggles out before Fantasmic. And a quick pivot to Mickey and Minnie's. 15-minute wait.
Sometimes you're here to stay, get away, and have the perfect day. We'll sing a song, and absolutely nothing will go wrong.
All right, we got on Runaway Railway, but we believe this is our kiss goodnight. The babies are tired.
Thanks, everybody. It sure has been a whole lot of fun. But trust me, it's only the beginning. See you real soon.
So, if you didn't hear on Runaway Railway, we decided that that would be the finale for the night. We were hoping to get like Wiggles out and to enjoy Fantasmic, but it was just clear like the kids are ready.
Teddy's second nap wasn't as long as we would have liked. And then James was just, James was ready to go home and sleep.
All of a sudden, he just like had his head on Peter's shoulder, and we're like, he was so pumped for Mickey Minnie's that we're like, let's do this and go. So
It was a good finale,
we're
right?
going. It was incredible. They were so happy, and we'll get good rest.
It was only like a 15-minute wait for Mickey and Minnie's, which is always
That
a
was
win.
such a surprise because earlier it was 45, and we had to be like, bye, Mickey. We're not, you know,
And
like
it's like
we couldn't
James's
go on it.
favorite ride in
Yeah.
Disneyland.
So it was great. A great finale. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Up to bed. Good night, boys.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.